Hey, HYLETE Nation, it's Thomas DeLauer, your community captain, and I just wanted to share some cool stuff that I found recently. All right, when it comes down to success in anything in life, focus is critical. Okay, whether you're in the gym, whether you're at the CrossFit box, whether you are at home, or whether you're at the office, focus is just plain critical. So here are three simple things, three foods that you can start getting more of that are going to help increase your focus from a scientific standpoint, truly going to help you out. The first one is going to be a small amount of blueberries, literally like a quarter cup. That's all you need. Now, most of you know that I promote a low-carb lifestyle, so you don't need much, but blueberries contain something known as anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is a very specific plant polyphenol that is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that is small enough to get through the blood-brain barrier. Usually, when we get antioxidants or anti-inflammatory compounds, they're a tad too big to actually filter through that blood-brain barrier. But because anthocyanin is so small, it gets through that layer and then stimulates brain-derived nootropic factor, which is quite literally a brain fertilizer. It grows new neurons, which means it actually can allow the adult brain to grow new brain cells, which is pretty hard to do. So a little bit of blueberries go a long way. Next one is going to be getting a high omega, predominantly DHA food in your diet. Usually something like algal oil or something like that is going to be the best case. If you can't just get algal oil, eat some sardines. It really does the same kind of thing. Hexanoic acid increases the fluidity of the actual cell membrane. So it increases the flexibility, which means that the cells can communicate better because they're more flexible. It means that they can morph and actually get a little bit closer to each other. You got a cell here and a cell here, and their membranes are fluid, it means that they can move around a little bit more and get closer so they can communicate with each other. So omega-3s, predominantly docosahexaenoic acid, are really gonna help you out here. The next one is gonna be simple curcumin. Okay, I talk about curcumin as a supplement, but you can actually use it as a food too. Sprinkle it on whatever food you're eating with a little bit of fat so it gets absorbed a little bit better, and you are in a really good situation. Here's how it works. Get ready for a little bit of science. It works on what is called the canonical WNT catenin pathway. Basically, what this process is a pathway for cells to regenerate. It stimulates neurogenesis. What that is literally the production and the transformation of new brain cells again. Neurogenesis means creating new ones. Until now, most of us thought that if you didn't use it, you would lose it, meaning that brain cells that we had were only there until they were burned and they never come back. But neurogenesis proves that otherwise, and curcumin is the way to do that. So, looks like we're having curry for breakfast. As always, HYLETE Nation, it's Thomas DeLauer, your community captain, and I will see you in the next restaurant. Video.